Introduction. What if the secret to unlocking your business potential doesn't lie in your marketing strategy or customer acquisition techniques, but in how you think? In New York's busy landscape, where sales agents, realtors, and mortgage agents compete fiercely, the way your mind is set can spell the difference between success and stagnation. Enter the concept of a growth mindset. It's a powerful tool that informs how you respond to challenges, handle setbacks, and even how you celebrate success. By fostering a growth mindset, you transform each hurdle into a stepping stone rather than a stumbling block. A growth mindset is not an abstract theory floating on vague concepts. It's a practical approach with real-life applications that can lead to substantial business success. When you embrace this mindset, you start viewing challenges as opportunities to improve and develop. With this perspective, sales agents in the Empire State can better navigate ups and downs, ultimately leading to consistent personal and business growth. Adopting a growth mindset can be the springboard that propels your career to new heights, helping you achieve goals you once thought were out of reach. Understanding a growth mindset. What is a growth mindset anyway? The term was popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck and describes the belief that talents and abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. This view creates a love of learning and a resilience essential for outstanding accomplishments. In contrast, a fixed mindset is the belief that talents are static traits that can't change. People with a fixed mindset often avoid challenges, fearing failure or judgment. They may shy away from situations where they might not excel right away. Why does this matter for business, especially in a place as dynamic as New York? It's straightforward. Business success requires adaptability. Those with a growth mindset are more likely to embrace new challenges, persevere through difficulties, and continuously improve their skills. This kind of mindset fosters creativity and innovation, allowing you to respond effectively to the challenges every sales agent encounters. For instance, imagine you're facing a difficult client situation. With a growth mindset, you view this not as a defeat, but as a chance to refine your negotiation skills and better serve clients in the future. Practical ways to develop a growth mindset. You might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I actually develop a growth mindset? Thankfully, incorporating a few simple practices can set you on the right path. Self-reflection. Start by reflecting on your current mindset and identifying areas you typically react with a fixed outlook. Are you often discouraged by setbacks? Try jotting down thoughts each day to become more aware of your reactions. Setting achievable goals. Break larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate small wins. This boosts your motivation and highlights progress. Continuous learning. Make learning a habit. Seek out workshops, read books, or listen to podcasts that stimulate new ideas. Being open to learning keeps your mind flexible and responsive. Feedback. Embrace feedback as a tool for improvement rather than criticism. Input from peers or clients can provide invaluable insights into your strengths and areas for development. Engaging in these practices not only enhances personal growth, but also improves your business mindset, positioning you for success in any market, including New York's thriving scene. Overcoming challenges with a growth mindset. Adopting a growth mindset isn't just about thinking positively. It's about facing challenges head-on and learning from them. Sales agents and mortgage agents, especially in New York, often encounter various hurdles, from fluctuating market conditions to demanding clients. But a growth mindset can help turn these challenges into learning opportunities. One common challenge is dealing with client rejections. Instead of viewing a rejection as a failure, those with a growth mindset see it as a chance to refine their approach and communication skills. They ask questions like, "What can I do differently next time?" Or, "How can I tailor my strategy for this client's needs?" This reflective habit fosters resilience and adaptability, key traits for thriving in the fast-paced world of sales. Here's a simple analogy. Just like a tree needs the wind to grow stronger roots, facing challenges helps strengthen your skills. With each setback, you become more adept at problem-solving and more prepared for future hurdles. By embracing challenges and learning from them, you not only grow as a professional, but also enhance your value to clients. Leveraging social media for a growth mindset. Social media is often seen as a tool for marketing and networking, but it's also a valuable resource for personal and professional growth. Platforms like LinkedIn and X are treasure troves of knowledge where you can follow industry leaders and join groups related to your field. Engaging with these communities provides insights and ideas that can inspire new strategies and approaches. To make the most of social media, consider these practical steps. Follow thought leaders. Identify and follow influencers in the real estate and mortgage sectors. See how they handle challenges and learn from their experiences. Join relevant groups. Become an active member of online communities and forums. Share your experiences, ask questions, and offer solutions to others' queries. Set learning goals. Decide what specific skills or knowledge you want to gain from social media. Whether it's improving negotiation tactics or understanding market trends, set aside time each week to engage with content that aligns with your goals. With deliberate use, social media can reinforce a growth mindset by keeping you informed, aware, and constantly learning. This continuous engagement ensures that you not only stay ahead of trends, but also become adept at adapting to changes. Bringing it all together for business success. By now, it's clear that cultivating a growth mindset has the potential to revolutionize your career. It's about creating a culture of perseverance and continuous learning, both of which are vital in thriving environments like New York. When you commit to developing this mindset, you encourage not just personal growth, but also business success. Consider each challenge or setback as another step on your path to greater achievements. The growth mindset doesn't promise instant results, but it guarantees continuous progress. As you integrate these practices into your daily routine, you'll discover new opportunities and innovative ways to engage with your clients. Ultimately, embracing a growth mindset positions you to tackle any obstacle with confidence, ensuring your business can thrive in any landscape. This mindset not only fosters personal development, but also aligns perfectly with professional objectives, paving the way for sustained success and satisfaction in your career. Unlocking the potential of social media can offer you the chance to amplify your growth mindset in the mortgage field. By staying on top of trends and constantly learning, you can ensure continued success in an ever-dynamic market. Explore how mortgage social media marketing with Ask 8 can equip you with the strategies to enhance your skills and broaden your horizon. Let's work together to bridge your ambitions with real achievements. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it. As a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant, I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes, and now I'm here to help you win. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask 8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe. A man's worth is not measured in the numbers in his bank account, but in the number of people that call him a friend. All the best to your success.